Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with HP full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official HP website. Look for the invest section, typically found in the footer. Once there, familiarize yourself with HP's investment philosophy. Research the types of investments HP offers. Explore options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Review any educational resources or guides provided. Set your investment goals. Determine your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Create an account on the HP investment platform. Fill out the required personal information accurately. Verify your identity by providing the necessary documents. Once your account is set up, fund your account. Choose your preferred payment method for depositing funds. Review your investment options carefully before selecting. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio. Allocate funds to various assets based on your research. Utilize any available tools or calculators provided by HP. Monitor your investments regularly through the platform. Stay updated on market trends and HP news. Reassess your investment strategy periodically. Make adjustments based on performance and changing goals. Seek advice from financial advisors if needed. Keep a record of all your investment transactions. Ensure compliance with local regulations regarding investments. Educate yourself continuously on investment strategies. Stay disciplined and patient as you navigate the market. Utilize HP's customer support for inquiries and assistance. Engage with the investment community for shared insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.